JY is the Ras Clark rebel. I actually fell out with one of my friends because of my rebel ways. After I went to a restaurant with my friend, that was the last time we ever spoke because of my rebel ways. So this happened about a year and a half ago, but let me get to today's story and it will make sense. So today is 2 days after my birthday. On my birthday, I got my motorbike back from the garage. I hadn't ridden my bike for at least a month and a half, 2 months. And the sun was shining. My mum said to me, yeah, we can go out for a little birthday meal. I'll treat you to a birthday lunch. No, mum, sorry. My motorbike needs riding. It's my birthday, yeah? I'm booked for the whole day. Sorry, honey. The next day, we're supposed to go out. Supposed to get a trim and then go out to lunch. I got an emergency call. A guy I know that owns a Subway branch in Leytonstone. He had no power, so I had to go and sort that out for a minute. Got back late. I thought, you know what, bun it. I'm going to take my bike out for a next ride because I know tomorrow, Wednesday, today, the weather's going to be shit and I know I'm not going to take my bike out. So today we've gone to IKEA, got a few bits and bobs and that. And we've gone to a Turkish restaurant. I love Turkish food. So we've gone to Curvan in Edmonton on Church Street, if you know it. And I just got the same thing as I usually get. Chicken shish and rice. And my mum got something else. So boom. Obviously my treat. Mum's taking me out for a little birthday lunch. So obviously she's going to pay. Yo, boss man, can we get the receipt, please? So he's come over. Man slapped the receipt on the table. Funny enough, the receipt was facing her so she could read it and I couldn't. So man just spun the thing around. Boss, can you remove the service charge, please? So anyway, my mum's looking at me now. So the guy's like, oh yeah, no problem. He's come back over, readjusted the figures, and then my mum's paid. My mum said to me, Jay, why did you tell the guy to remove the service charge? Mum, I'd refuse to pay service charge. And you're not paying no service charge if you're with me. I think it's a rip-off. I don't understand why restaurants believe that you're supposed to pay the service charge. If they say it's optional as well, but then they try and put pressure on you by actually writing it down and no, you're not putting no pressure on me. You know? If it's optional, they should give you 2 prices, yeah, and you should be able to pick one. What they do, they try and guilt trip you. And I had that happen to me. So I fell out with a friend and the friend no longer speaks to me because of this reason. She's never admitted it, but I know, yeah, because gone out to same as well, Turkish place, but somewhere in Wood Green. Met out with my friend. Now this restaurant is like a cafe up until the hours of 3 p.m. and it kind of turns into a restaurant or whatever, innit? Gone out for a little brunch or everyone call it or whatever, innit? Come time to pay. Obviously, we're paying separately, but it comes time to pay now, innit? So it's a Turkish restaurant, but there's a black girl working there serving, innit? Now, all the Turkish restaurants that I know, they always just employ Turkish people, innit? But anyway, black girls come over, African girl. Boom. I said to her, can you remove the service charge? And she was like, really? And I said, yes. And I was like, secondly, don't you dare try and put pressure on me to pay the service charge about really. Like, you see all that? Yeah, that's trying to like put a pressure on man, innit? Yeah, to make me feel guilty. No. That don't work on JYs, you know. Yeah, you can't guilt trip me. Yeah. So anyway, my friend, she's one of them little, yeah. Oh, don't worry, I'll pay it. Yeah, because it's an awkward situation, innit? Yeah. You think I'm backing out my money because it's an awkward situation? No. So she's covered it, whatever, innit? Yeah, don't worry, I'll pay the service charge, whatever, innit? Yeah. And she said to me, because she's an older girl for me, I think she's got like 8 years on me or something like that, innit? Yeah. He said to me, Jay, if you ever go out on a date, please do not do that. Because the girl will not speak to you ever again. Unless she's some ragamuffin girl that you take out to a restaurant, then she'll be alright with it. I said, listen, yeah, I'm a ragamuffin man anyway. Yeah. And secondly, I am not taking out no girl for a first initial date to a restaurant. What do I look like? Yeah. So I won't even need to worry about paying for service charge or ducking and diving the service charge if I go out with a girl on a first date, 'cause I'm not taking no girl to no restaurant on a first date. What do I look like? These man from America. I say I watched a film the other day with my mum. A man's gone to take out a girl on a date and he's bought fucking roses. Roses, like, and it weren't even Valentine's Day as well, innit? Yeah, and what? I don't give a fuck, like, if I turn the girl off or something like that, yeah, because I don't want to pay service charge. I'm not paying no service charge. I'm not being pressured by anyone to pay service charge. No, it's a fucking rip-off. Even one time as well, one of my friends, his girl was trying to organise a little, couple of years back, about 3 years ago or something, his girl wanted to try and organise some surprise birthday party for him, or surprise birthday meal, or whatever, innit? And she said, yeah, obviously this is the menu, but allow for extra because of the service charge and that. And I was thinking to myself, nah, fuck this, man. Like, you know what? My friend's birthday, yeah, and I know, you know how some people, they'll find it awkward or whatever, innit? Yeah. So maybe back then I would have paid the service charge or whatever, innit? Yeah, but nah, I don't agree. But I'm not having no one fucking try and put pressure on me about really. Yes, really. And you know what? If I lose out on friends that they don't want to associate with me because I want to pay a service charge, which is an option, then so be it. And I ain't taking out no girls on no first date to no fancy restaurant where we have to pay the service charge. So I can always avoid it with a first date, definitely. But there's no way I'm not having no one put pressure on me. I'm fucking Jay Wise, man. Shit. Anyway, stay wise. Don't pay them service charges, yeah?